If I placed a brown egg and a white egg in front of you, which one looks more natural or healthy? Like millions of others, you might be willing to pay a premium for that rustic brown shell, believing in a superior nutritional value. Why does a simple shift in color manipulate our wallets so effectively? The real reason isn't a secret health formula, but a hidden secret involving a chicken's appetite. Today, we're diving into what exactly creates the gap between these two shades and why a beautiful shell is sometimes the perfect marketing trap.
Find the story behind the simple things. I'm Edward, and this is QC Project Simple Things.
Have you ever wondered why you're willing to pay a premium for rustic brown eggs over pristine white ones? The truth is, eggshell color is merely a biological paint job applied in the final hours of formation, a natural decoration that never penetrates the nutritional core. Regardless of whether it's porcelain white, deep brown, or soft blue, every egg possesses a nearly identical nutritional source code. Roughly 70 calories, 6 grams of pure protein, and essential nutrients like vitamin D, vitamin B12, and selenium. This divergence isn't driven by diet, but by genetic color coding. White ear-lobed hens lay white eggs, while red ear-lobed hens lay brown ones. Some breeds, like the Americana and Araucana, offer a unique palette of green eggs, while certain breeds in Chile produce striking pinkish-brown or chocolate shells. But why the higher price for brown? The answer lies in an appetite paradox. The breeds that lay brown eggs are typically larger and hungrier, leading to significantly higher feed costs. You aren't paying for a superior egg, you are paying for the operating costs of a larger chicken. While white eggs symbolize purity in Japan, brown shells are branded as artisanal in the West, a psychological effect similar to how bread wrapped in brown paper feels more wholesome than plastic. Ultimately, the shell is nature's palette, a masterpiece of genetics rather than a metric of quality. If you are searching for the perfect breakfast with a rich, buttery yolk and firm whites, stop looking at the color of the shell. The truth is, egg quality isn't determined by its external paint job, but by a scientific metric called the Horf unit, which measures the height of the thick albumen and the strength of the yolk. A premium egg is the byproduct of a happy life. Hens that roam freely under sunlight, pecking at carotenoid-rich grains or the occasional insect. These natural pigments, not the shell color, create that vibrant orange glow and signature richness. Contrary to the popular belief that brown eggs are cleaner, the difference between these two shades is purely a genetic map. Think of shell color as the poultry equivalent of human hair color. White-feathered hens typically lay white eggs, while red-feathered breeds, like the Rhode Island Red, produce brown ones. The economic paradox is this. Colored breeds are generally larger and significantly hungrier than their petite white cousins. This means farmers spend more on feed, and that cost is passed directly to you. You aren't paying for more nutrition, you are paying for a larger chicken's appetite. While industrial white eggs often have pale yolks due to standardized diets and lack of movement, labels like pasture-raised are the true keys to quality. A white egg from a humane farm will always outperform a brown egg from a cramped factory setting. Don't let your eyes deceive your wallet. If you choose brown eggs because they look better on your Instagram feed, that's a personal aesthetic choice. But if you choose them for health, you are falling for a marketing trap. Look for local sources and prioritize animal welfare, because a happy hen always produces a better breakfast, regardless of her shell's hue. Freshness in an egg isn't an abstract concept. It is a physical state you can read if you know how to look past the shell. Apply these 5 technical audits to ensure premium quality. 1. Decoding the Julian code. Ignore the arbitrary best before date. Look for the small 3-digit sequence, for example 096. This is the actual pack date counted from the start of the year. The closer this number is to today, the more original freshness you are holding. 2. Inspecting the mat armor. Observe the shell's texture under light. A fresh egg typically has a matte, slightly rough surface. If the shell appears shiny or feels greasy, it signals bacterial intrusion or poor handling during the supply chain. 3. The bloom protection. Mechanism: eggs possess an invisible protective layer called the bloom. In many regions, overwashing eggs before sale destroys this vital barrier, allowing air and pathogens to seep through the shell's pores. Prioritize sources that maintain this natural shield. 4. Analyzing protein structure, the fortress. The moment the shell is breached, a premium egg features a yolk that stands tall like a fortress, and whites that are thick and slightly cloudy, a sign of residual CO2 still trapped inside. If the white runs like water and the yolk flattens, it is undeniable evidence of protein degradation. 5. The thermal shock storage strategy. To maintain quality, keep eggs in their original carton on the middle shelf of the fridge, the area with the most stable temperature. Never store them in the door, where frequent opening causes thermal shock, rapidly deteriorating the egg's internal structure. I want to give you a practical tool so you are never deceived by shell color or natural labels again. The 10-second rule. Next time you're at the grocery store or preparing breakfast, spend those 10 seconds on the Julian code and buoyancy test. First, flip the carton over and look for a 3-digit number, known as the Julian date. If you see 096, it means the eggs were packed on the 96th day of the year, April 6th. The closer that number is to today's date, the fresher the egg. Second, once at home, drop the egg into a glass of water for 5 seconds. A premium, fresh egg will lay flat at the bottom. If it stands upright or floats, it is physical proof that the internal air pocket has expanded due to aging, signaling that the protein structure is breaking down. In just 10 seconds, you aren't just guessing based on brown or white shades. You're reading the DNA of freshness. Your palate will reveal the truth about quality that a rustic shell tries to hide. So, which egg should you choose for your breakfast? The rustic brown or the pristine white? The answer doesn't lie in the shade of the shell, but in what you value most: your budget, aesthetics, or your belief in how a hen is treated. Don't let a biological paint job or clever marketing campaigns manipulate your wallet. A truly superior egg is the result of freshness and a humane farming ecosystem, regardless of its hue. The final choice is yours, now that you know how to look past the visual illusions. Remember, true beauty and value often don't reside in the flashiest items on the shelf, because sometimes the truth hides in the very details we overlook. If you enjoyed this story, tell us in the comments what simple thing we should explore next. Your idea might become our next episode.
I am Edward, and this is QC Project Simple Things. Thank you for watching.
Because what you see is never the whole story. There's always something deeper beneath the surface. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the simple things in everyday life. See you in the next one.